If you're experiencing pending transfers in Outlook 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and clear any pending transfers efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for Outlook to send and receive emails. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Restart Outlook. Close Outlook completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the application and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the pending transfers. Step 3. Review Outbox folder. Navigate to the Outbox folder in Outlook. If there are any emails stuck in the outbox, try to open them and check for any error messages. You can either resend or delete these emails to clear the pending transfers. Step 4. Update Outlook. Make sure that your Outlook application is up to date. Go to the File menu, select Office Account, and click on Update Options. Choose Update Now to install any available updates that may fix bugs or issues related to pending transfers. Step 5. Check Email Account Settings. Verify your email account settings by going to File, selecting Account Settings, and then Account Settings again. Ensure that your incoming and outgoing server settings are correct. If necessary, consult your email provider for the correct settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers in Outlook 2026. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to your IT support or Microsoft support for further assistance.